Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. I'm MK. Happy Friday, guys. We made it another week. Thank the Lord, because it'd be hard out here. But we made it another week. And to celebrate our Friday, we're going to do something sweet. We are going to do a strawberry lemon, lemonade dump cake today. And we're gonna get into these ingredients, y'all. Let's go! This is our strawberry pie filling, lemon cake, salted butter, some sugar, vanilla, cream cheese, and half of a lemon. We have our bowl that we'll be putting our cake mix in. And we have already went ahead and sprayed our pan with some Pam. We've also set our oven for 350 degrees, getting it nice and warm in there. So y'all, let's get started with this dump cake. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is take our strawberry pie filling and we're going to pour that in the pan and spread that out. Uh-oh. Well, I like how that landed. 4. Okay, y'all, let's spread this out as evenly as possible. Okay, strawberry. Looking real springish, which is around the corner. About to get out of this winter season and liven up some. I am super excited because I love the warm weather. But alright, strawberry. You could also use 2 cans if you don't think this is enough, which we could have probably used another can, but we're gonna use 1 can today. That's alright. Alright, y'all, let's get on to our cake part, and then we'll move on to our cream cheese part. Let's go. Also on to our cake mix. This is our lemon cake mix. You can also use vanilla. You can use yellow cake mix. Today we use lemon, y'all. Whatever you want to use. Okay? And we are going to take our stick of salted butter. You can also use unsalted. I find that I like the flavor of salted better, so that's what I'm using. And we are going to mix these together. Make sure your butter is room temperature, because mine is not room temperature just yet, but that's okay. We're gonna keep mashing until we get it together. Hold on, y'all, we'll be back. Mixing and mixing and mixing. It ain't gotta be perfect, but really what you want is some crumbles in there from that butter mixing with the cake mix. So just keep on playing with it until you get these little crumbles here and there. It's not gonna matter too much because we're gonna add some more butter on top of our dump cake. But just do what you can. And say you want it to be a little bit more crumbly than this, but that's what happens when you don't do what you're supposed to do. You don't do room temperature and you just throw it on in there trying to rush. But that's alright, y'all. It's gonna be okay. So we're gonna set this to the side and we're about to get ready for our cream cheese part. Also, we're going to take some of that lemon juice and add that to our strawberry. Just to give some more real lemon taste, besides from the artificial taste that we're getting from the strawberry and from the lemon cake. Still gonna be good though. But we just want to be a little extra. Add a little extra. Just a little bit. If you see any seeds, make sure you get those out. I don't think we have any, but ooh, the smell of that fresh lemon is my favorite. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's get on to this cream cheese, y'all, before I mess around and eat this strawberry. Let's go. Y'all, so we have added our cream cheese to our mixer. We're going to add about a cup of our sugar. You could also use powdered sugar, but we're going to use regular sugar today. Okay. And we are going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. You could also use whipped cream cheese, which is preferred, but we don't have whipped cream cheese today, so we're going to do it this way. Just what you really want is a creamy texture for your cream cheese to put on top of your strawberry filling. So that's what we're doing with this cream cheese mixture. It's still gonna be good, y'all. Don't worry, it's still gonna be good. You gotta find alternatives. Get nice and creamy. Good job. Make sure you taste it and see if it's sweet enough for you. You really don't have to add any more sugar if you don't want to, because the strawberry and lemon cake is gonna be sweet enough, but you never know. It tastes pretty good, y'all. And of course it's gonna be crystally because of the sugar. Just keep mixing it and it's gonna melt once it cooks. So y'all don't be worried, I got you. We're gonna keep on mixing. We'll add that to our strawberry. Hey y'all, it is time to add in our cream cheese. We're gonna just do a few scoops and we're gonna swirl that in there once we get our cream cheese through here. Ooh. Definitely cream cheesy, and that's how I like it. Strawberry cheesecake with a little bit of lemon. The sweet and sour, I guess you could say. We're gonna take a butter knife and try to swirl that in there with our strawberry. You ain't gotta be perfect. I always tell y'all that as long as it tastes good, don't worry about the rest of it. We want to look a little good, but we want it to taste good even more. Don't be stressing out, y'all. It's just baking. I'm just doing a little baking. Okay. Got little swirls for me. Looking real cheesecake-ish. I like it, Alright y'all, let's get ready to add in our dump cake on top. And we just about finished to put her in the oven. Alright y'all. Time to add our cake mix on top. Pretty colors. Come on, lemon. We're gonna spread that out on top. Try to get it even. Okay. It's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. It is looking good. And so now that we got that the way we want it, we have chopped up some butter just to be a little extra, and we're gonna put that on top. Spread that out some, just to give it a little bit more taste. We want that dump cake feel. Okay y'all, she is ready to go into the oven. We're gonna put her in there 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and we'll be back to check on her. All right. Now this is what our strawberry lemon dump cake is looking like. It's been 30 minutes on 350 degrees. And we also put it a couple minutes on broil just to give it some brown on the top. We're gonna let this cool. And we'll do a spoon test. And we'll see how it tastes. About 30 minutes. We've let it cool down. It is time for the spoon dip test. Let's see what it looks like. Let us see. Ooh, soft and crispy. Ooh. It's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. So y'all pair this with your favorite ice cream, some vanilla, or whatever your favorite is. We're gonna take a bite out of this in a minute. But that is all for today's recipe. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time on another episode of MK's Kitchen. Bye.